Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to power off your iPhone in a few different ways, and you can use these methods on the latest version for any iPhone that you have. So let's get started. Now, the simple and the easiest way to do it is using your buttons on your iPhone. So you're going to locate the volume up or volume down button and then this big side button. So what you'll do is take your two fingers, press and hold for a few seconds the volume up and the side button, or the volume down and the side button, just like this, until you see this menu to power off. And all you do is simply swipe to your right and it will power off your iPhone. So that's method number one. Now let's say you can't do that. Now another way to do it is without the buttons is by going through the setting on your iPhone. From the settings page, simply go to General, scroll down and see the option to shut down. When you click on it, the same sort of menu will pop up where you can again slide to power off. Now, third method is, if you don't want to use the settings or the buttons, is you can use Siri. If you have Siri turned on, simply activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," if you have that turned on, or pressing and holding the side button, and then you can issue the command to power off. So I'm going to say, "Hey Siri, power off my iPhone."
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And as you can see here, Siri can also help you power off your iPhone just like that. So those are the different ways to power off your iPhone. Now you might be wondering, how do I power it back on? Well, it's going to be simple. Two different ways you can do it. You can press and hold onto the side button until you see the Apple logo, and then it will power back on. Now, if that isn't working, you could also connect it to a charger like you normally would to charge your iPhone, and that will also power back your iPhone. So that's how you power off and on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll catch you guys on the next one.